The Negril Educational Environmental Trust, NEET, is one of those organizations offering hope to some of Negril's youth. And so far, the participants say their experience has been life-changing. TVJ's Kirk Wright reports.
A ray of hope.
Businessman Winston Wellington started the NEET program in 2003 to help change the lives of the youths in Negril. Through the program, computers have been installed in schools in Negril, while tablets have been handed out free of cost to participants. Additionally, Mr. Wellington says every Saturday, the children are given extra lessons.
We have what you call a tablet class, in which we bring in 50 children and 50 parents, and they go through an 8-week course. 2 hours every Saturday from 10 a.m. until 12 p.m. And then we teach the parents and children the 4 pillars of success, which are honesty, punctuality, a good attitude, and discipline.
The students only get the tablets at the end of the program. They remain lifelong members of NEET.
A thing called Khan Academy, a revolutionary way of teaching maths and science, plus many other subjects. And also we have a set of do's and don'ts. Boys cannot wear the pants below the waist. Girls have to dress appropriately. Anger management, proper parenthood, each one teach one. Everything you teach them, you teach it to the others.
The participants admit the program helps them in various ways.
The Khan Academy that they put on my tablet helped me to know math so that I can be the top girl of the NEET program and also on the principal's honor roll.
It helped me to get on time for anywhere I'm going. And tell you to be a good person, kind to each other.
Precious Reynolds, a teacher at the Revival All-Age School and a volunteer at NEET, says she has seen some fundamental changes in her students who participate in the NEET program.
We have seen improvement in terms of discipline, improvement in terms of Spanish, because they have the Spanish apps on the tablets and they use it. You know, children are drawn to technology. So I've seen improvement. I've seen children who were not coming to school early, they are now coming to school early.
Last week, the students had Culture Day, and Mr. Wellington says that's also one of the mediums through which they help to expose the participants. I'm Kirk Wright for Ray of Hope.
A ray of hope.